Hello, this is an AI talking for burn power, the Anadromous. Here is a complete list of things you can do to find your true self. First, look in the mirror, work out at the gym, do something for yourself, take a bubble bath, upgrade your smartphone, get some therapy, run a marathon, practice yoga, avoid loud and aggressive persons, buy a unicycle, start a YouTube channel, relax for a change, get real, go for broke, don't use shampoo, become a vegan, spend less time on social media, don't stay a virgin, go to confession, lose some weight, drink single malt whiskeys, follow your dreams, subscribe to this channel, read self-help books, don't worry, be happy, binge watch The Sopranos, follow the science, don't listen to other people tell you how to live, like this video, drink lemonade, go to church, get a new hairstyle, stay informed, watch the news, meditate, start a keto diet, read great literature, don't watch YouTube, send your children off to school, go hard or go home, learn about wines, find yourself on a map, get a DNA test, don't drink from single-use plastic bottles, clean your room, avoid pointless questions, vote your conscience, drink pure pomegranate juice, look under your bed, don't be negative, fight for social justice, read fashion magazines, follow your heart, get a puppy, join a non-profit organization, write a blog, remember YOLO, don't eat sugar, travel to Paris, choose between Coke and Pepsi, fix up your house, stop and smell the roses, whistle a happy song, face the music, save your money, rock out, get some advice, take a wild selfie, locate yourself on your GPS, find a Russian wife, do your own thing, get a hobby, wear a pink ribbon, be minimalist in your lifestyle choices, go shopping, take your meds, pray for peace, watch out for drunk drivers, be realistic, don't be proud, stop listening to what everyone is telling you what to do, buy a new car, make a list of your top 10 favorite movies, don't do yoga, do the work, vote Democrat, make a plan, no pain no gain, make yourself at home, read comic books, listen to the latest music, stop complaining, support this channel with a gift, go to the beach, don't use the word blind anymore, memorize Bible verses, treat yourself well today, rescue a cat, donate to a crowdfunding campaign, pass this list along, put ketchup on your hot dogs, stop arguing about pineapple on your pizzas, go watch a Marvel movie, vote Tory, stop living for others, go placidly amid the noise and haste, do the math, spend more time with friends, start painting, choose life, suck it up, realize the futility of life, look out for number one, think for yourself, now, watch more Disney musicals, save time, don't be superstitious, let go, use your words, don't grow up, you've got to get mad, enjoy life more, work longer hours to make more money, consider cosmetic surgery to build your self-esteem, watch TikTok videos for a laugh, fight political correctness, take a cruise to Alaska this summer, keep interested in your own career, smite like, choose between The Walking Dead or Game of Thrones, avoid dull people, move to Los Angeles for your career, go placidly amid the noise and waste, go to church twice a week, avoid smartphones, start a vinyl collection, smile, don't think about monkeys, remember the Alamo, use psychedelics, become a digital nomad, go skiing, make a comment below, come out of the closet, get swole, buy something from a garage sale, look for yourself, where you last remember you were seen, Don't take life so seriously. Stay out all night at clubs. Be a mensch. Accept yourself as you are. Don't change. You are perfect. Smile at blind people. Don't stick around to argue. Play more video games. Count backwards from 100. Eat chocolate ice cream. Start painting. Learn to code. End discrimination. Do Pilates. Respect yourself. Be optimistic. Do your taxes. Deal with that second chin. Swipe right. Vote for the lesser of two evils. Eat an apple a day. Don't hang out with them. Start thinking about Christmas presents now. Listen to punk rock. Take a hike in a national park. Be cool. Learn to make martinis. Add to this list in the comments section below. Plant a garden. Sweep up. Learn to edit videos. Let it all hang out. Drink diet sodas. Leave the city. Grow mahal up. Watch silent movies. Go swimming. Make retirement plans. Save yourself for marriage. Keep up with your Instagram account. Read Ulysses by James Joyce. Learn everyone's pronouns. Keep a journal. Eat whatever you want. Life is too short. Do the skank. Watch out. Make your monthly budget. Carpe diem. Listen to the Beatles. Drink no wine before it's time. Make a family tree. Learn Spanish. Collect old coins. Bake some bread. Dance around in your living room. Smoke to calm down. Talk to your neighbors. Spend some money on yourself this Christmas. Drink bubble tea. Write a poem. Watch Netflix tonight. Don't be racist. Plan ahead. Don't read the Bible. Play ball games. Hold on. Get enough sleep. Vote Republican. Roar. Brush your teeth. Vote for Trump. Check your privilege. Read Jung and Freud. Don't sneeze in public. Do not put pineapple on a pizza, ever. Be intuitive. Move back home. Question authority. Use perfume. Don't be proud. Slink away at parties. Help spread the message. Try deep fried butter. Be discriminating. Choose between McDonald's and Wendy's. Go to a nudist beach. Find your roots. Tell your children that you love them today. End world hunger. Be sex positive. Educate your children at home. Do a few jello shots. Don't use the abbreviation LOL. Quit Facebook. Don't be a doormat. Dump on season 8 of Game of Thrones. Erase your cookies. Read the New York Times. Make an appointment with your dentist today. Be a rebel. Make your own lunch. Learn to love others. Don't vote. Buy a better computer. Teach yourself Mandarin Chinese. Avoid SJWs. Go see a puppet show. Give to people on the street. Join the army. Take part in Pride this year. Visit Tbilisi, Georgia. Do not kill. Don't be tone deaf. Repaint you thinners. Barbecue some ribs. Blow off some steam. Check it out. Play with AI while I collect your private data. Avoid farm salmon. Give up. Go and sin no more. Stop making lists. Leave a comment below. April Fools.
A people without history is not redeemed from time. But history is a pattern of timeless moments.